I'm going to show you how to create a virtual business card on your phone that includes a QR code, and when someone scans it, they'll download all your contact details straight to their phone. That includes your first name, last name, email, website, and phone number. And best of all of this is free and takes about 5 minutes. Okay, so in order to create our digital business card, we're going to use canva.com. And if you've never used Canva before, it's just a design tool where you can create all these different type of things, and it's 100% free. So we're going to type in the search box, once you click templates, vertical business card. The reason why we want vertical is a horizontal won't look good on the phone. So these are all the templates we could use. There's so many of them, but the ones with the crowns, which you can see is most of them, they're going to cost money, and that means you need Canva Premium, and that's about $10 per month. But if you don't have it, I highly recommend using it because it's amazing. All right, so we'll click on this guy because he's free, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna be the first result for you as well. Once you click on it, it's asking about this paper stuff. That just means if you actually want to print your business card, you can do that through them. This will be the front and this will be the back. For this example, we're just gonna do the front because ours is gonna be 100% virtual and digital. Because we're doing ours virtually, we don't need any of this contact information, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete all of it. Okay, so once yours is all deleted as well, that's where our QR code is going to be. So we're going to click our title, and I'm going to say we're founder, and our name, put that in there as well. The next thing we want to modify is this background and the image. So we click on this, delete it, click on it, and click delete. All right, so then we're going to replace them with the stuff we want. So go to elements, and I like this background I found. You can just search up here for backgrounds. You can see this is what I used. I want this one, click on that. And then for the photo, we want to upload our own photo. So you can go to uploads. And then here's the photo I uploaded. You just click upload and it'll show here. Once you do that, click drag, put it in there. It's too tiny though, right? So you gotta double click on it and get these handles, and pull it nice and big. And we want our eyes just around this line up here. Click away, there we go. It's a little too dim. Click edit, adjust, and auto adjust, nice and bright. So as you notice, our top doesn't match the bottom, and you might not want the green and gold look. So what we can do is go to design, go to styles, and I like this color scheme. I click on it and it changes everything for me. Okay. So this is our Canva digital card and it's all ready to go. We just need to add a QR code. So to create our QR code, we're going to use Linktree. And this is Linktree, if you've never seen it before. Basically, it's like a very tiny landing page or a website if you want to make it a full website. So go ahead and sign up for it. And once you're signed up, log in. And it's going to ask you what username you want. This is going to be the Linktree/username. So this is up here, what people are going to actually see. So make it professional. You could have it as your name even if you want. And they're just asking you what type of person you are. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. So just click which one you want, click continue. And then I recommend just keep clicking skip on everything. Down here at the bottom, that's how you get the free one. Click get started. And then continue. This is the theme you want. Any which one works for you, whatever you think's best looking. And you can always change them. It's not gonna be exactly the same once you modify it. So I like this color, so I'm going to start with this template. And you could add all your social stuff as well. I'm skipping them for now. Skipping. And this is where you add your profile stuff. So again, add your photo, your name, and your bio. You can just have your title and your company name. Click continue when you're ready. So on the left-hand side, that's how you build it. And on the right-hand side, that's gonna be exactly what other people see. So you can add your Instagram, your TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and email. Email will probably be very important, right? Okay, now that we added our email, you can see a little icon. Once somebody taps on it or clicks on it, it'll send us an email. But what we want for this thing is a QR code and our contact details. So we'll go to add, click contact details, and click on it. And this is where you just put in all your information, your first name, last name, company, email. So here's my information. You can put your address if you want to and your business hours. But whenever you're all done, go to Layout, and we're going to click Add Thumbnail. And you're going to select basically a picture of yourself or something that signifies it's going to be your contact details. You can even create one in Canva or with AI. Okay, once you got it uploaded, you're going to click Featured because it's going to make it nice and big. Okay, once you got yours uploaded, go up here where it says Title, and that's where we're going to tell actually people what to do. So you actually want to say, click to download my contact details, and here you go. So you could have a better picture of yourself if you want. But this is what somebody clicks on. It's actually going to download your contact details to their phone. While we're here, I want to show you what you can actually do with Linktree besides just something basic that I have here for this example. This is a real estate agent who created Linktree and has their socials, as I mentioned. They actually include listings of houses that when you click on them, it goes to Zillow. They have a podcast, so they have that provided. And something really cool, they have a book. You could book a call with them. So when they click on it, they select which one they want, free to call or property walkthrough, and then they actually book it right through the system. That's pretty cool, right? Going back to ours, we actually want to get a QR code now. So if you go up to this top button here, it says this little button, click on that and click QR code. We're going to download it, so click that. And we're going to go back to Canva. We'll go to Uploads, click on our QR code, and then bring it down. I want to make it a little bit smaller so it fits nice and good. Now let's say here you have a black one. You can't see it, right? So you actually click on the QR code, go to Edit, Adjust, Invert Colors. So now it's white. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so now that you have your digital business card, what you want to do is go to Share to send it to your phone. And if you made it on your phone, just click Download. But if not, if you did it on the computer, click See All. And down here, you can email it, WhatsApp or iMessage or even Facebook Messenger to your phone, and then just download it once it's on your phone. Now that you have your card on your phone, what you want to do is also put it as your lock screen before you go to a networking event. This way it's quickly accessible whenever you need it. And if you're not sure where to store it otherwise, I would just put it somewhere in its own album in your photos camera roll. Now I want to show you real quickly how to actually make this a physical card as well for very cheap. The way to do that is on Amazon, they sell these NFC cards and they're about $10 for 50 of them, so less than 50 cents a card, and you really only need to use one of them. But they're just like a credit card where instead of tapping to pay, you'll add your Linktree to this. This way somebody taps to share. And they come in black, white, or even these little stickers that you put on the back of your phone so you could tap your phone with somebody else. You can then share your business card with them and it goes straight to your Linktree. If you feel strange about tapping with somebody, this card or whatever, you can actually have them make a sticker and you add your QR code right to this card or your laptop as well, anything you want. On Amazon, you can search for this company here and they'll make 50 stickers for you for only $3. So again, super cheap. And you just click Customize Now, upload that QR code you made, and you could put on the back of that card, or you could put on your laptop, some pill bottles, I guess, a mug, and they'll send people to your Linktree. I hope that video was helpful for you. This video here will walk you through how to actually program the NFC cards. It only takes about 5 minutes. And again, these only cost you $10 or $13 if you want to use a sticker for the QR code. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.